What's up guys, it's Unders and welcome back to the Getting Your Music Heard series. Today's video is sponsored by the guys over at DistroKid. They are probably the best place to go to right now for digital distribution. I've been using them for a number of years and absolutely love them. So what we need to talk about today is platforms that you can be on that are going to help you get moving right now. Now, if you don't already have some energy and movement behind your music, being on a land grab, so in a new platform that's growing rapidly, is something essential. We've seen this happen with early risers to YouTube, early on Facebook pages, early on Instagram. So the land grab right now is TikTok. You should absolutely be on there. And at DistroKid have a couple of useful things that we can do to make sure we're jumping ahead of the game there as musicians. For example, they are the only distributor currently able to get your music distributed directly onto the TikTok platform. So I've already gone ahead and got most of my music up there ready. So we're going to have a quick look on the TikTok platform itself and how I can make a video and get my music playing to that audience. And we've got a huge organic reach on there right now. So it's a great way of experiencing and getting new people into your music, especially when you've not already got an audience behind you. Secondly, let's look at how we get our music onto TikTok, especially if we're already distributing and we want to add that in there at a later time. Let's move over now.
So let's have a look at how we can get our music on TikTok, especially if it's already been released. So let's have a quick look at our DistroKid releases here. My track Connect here, we can see all the platforms here that it's been distributed to. We can see just here, the last one is TikTok. So submitted to TikTok. And this means if we go on that platform and we go to post a video, we can look up this track and it's going to be there and available for us. And when I distributed this track, the TikTok beta was available and I was able to basically submit straight to it. Previous releases, we might not have been able to do this. So if we rewind a little bit and we look at my Warrior Sound release here, which was part of a beat tape, we've got Bury the Stash. That does not show TikTok under its distribution here. So the way that we would make sure that goes onto TikTok is by selecting it and it loads up the page. And really useful thing in here, it holds all the details for your tracks. You can actually make sure you re-download your artwork and you can even re-download your original file, which is super useful. What we're looking for though is this bit where it says stores and we've got all our links and everything for where it goes and the places it's displayed to. Notice the ones where it's been detected and can be linked, you automatically have those links, really useful for a quick grab. We have add to more stores. If we click on that, we've got the two other stores that are available. We've got Shazam or we've got TikTok for free. So to get this track submitted to TikTok now, we can simply select it, hit add, and DistroKid will now do the work and get that track submitted to TikTok. Now, if we were releasing a new track, we'd very simply go to upload at the top and we just simply make sure that we've got all the stores we want it to appear in selected here. The most major ones all have their own individual selection and we can see TikTok is just here. So that, guys, really simply is how you get your music submitted on TikTok. And the way that you'd access it on the platform is by adding a song and using search like we saw just a minute ago.
So what we need to do, guys, we need to load up TikTok, record a video like we're going to do now. And once we've recorded that video, we can embed our music onto it and post it out there. Nice and discoverable. And a tactic or promotion method we could totally use here would be to find people who are already prominent on the platform as well, get them to do their featured videos and feature our music in it for a discovery option. But at the moment, TikTok's got a great land grab opportunity in the fact that it's still got great organic reach like we used to get on places like Instagram and YouTube that are now heavily saturated and they move towards the monetization platform. TikTok hasn't done that yet, so you can still get a great reach. So let's record a quick video and we'll embed some music on it. What up, guys? I'm just recording a quick video using TikTok to demonstrate the fact that we can use it to embed our music using the services at DistroKid. Nice to see you. But once we've recorded the video and we're ready to post it, we have to go through that process of getting ready to post it. So we're going to tick it, TikTok, to demonstrate. So to do that, we're going to press on sound. And within sound, we can find our track. So we did under Connect before, right? And we could see that was in there. And you see I've got this little tab just here on the right. That just means I've saved the track. So I can just select it, tick it. And that's it, guys. I'm just recording a quick video. We can press next and we can post that and let it go out everywhere. And here we are on TikTok. Here we go. The future to everyone. So I thought I'd keep up the meta and finish this via mobile. Guys, that is how you can get your music on TikTok right now, and you can then embed your music in your videos and still get an awesome organic reach. It's definitely something you need to be doing, ideally in 2019, but definitely pushing through 2020, because it's going to be the best way that's currently growing that you can still get that reach. Thank you very much for watching the video. Make sure you check out the rest of the series, and I will see you guys on the next one.